Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix Steam games not showing up in library. If your Steam games are not showing up in your library, it can be frustrating and confusing. This issue is often caused by filter settings, hidden games, or incorrect library folders. This guide will walk you through how to fix missing games on your Steam library. To begin, open Steam on your Windows PC. Log into your account if needed, then click the Library tab at the top. Check the search bar and clear any text. Click the Filters option. Choose Show All Games or uncheck the options so that all games appear and not filtered. Look for a hidden category in your library. You can access it by going to View. Then click Hidden and check if your game is there. If found, right-click the game and select Manage. Then click Remove from Hidden. Now, go to Steam, then click Settings from the top left menu. Click Storage, then Steam Library Folders. Make sure the correct game folder or drive is listed. Add the correct folder if missing by clicking Add Drive. Restart Steam to refresh your library. Tip: make sure you're logged into the correct Steam account where the games were purchased. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.